Every elevator or escalator is different. One might operate in hot and humid conditions, another one in the cold. It's never the same unit. That's why maintenance services should be tailored to the needs of your unit and building. I'm a global field engineer. We help troubleshoot and solve the most complex problems for customers. If I'm on site, I just need my experience, computer and measurement tools. If I'm working remotely, I'm more dependent on data. Digitally connected elevators are the future for sure. We can monitor them 24 hours and even set automatic notifications for specific errors, breakdowns, things like that. If we discover a strange error, we can automatically check all connected units for the same error pattern. We can detect and react before the local maintenance team or customer even knows about it. This leads to much better reliability and uptime. In my team, we have about 20 people with more than 500 years combined experience. We are working on the Crowd Knowledge 2.0 application to help our people in the field constantly learn, share know-how, repair more efficiently and maximize uptime. To be good at this job, you need experience, a talent for analytical thinking and a strong desire to help people. Our daily goal is to help customers. That's just in the field support DNA.